Review of OCGA Section 4845. Payment of excess funds. This statute governs the process of handling excess funds from a tax sale, which are any funds remaining after all taxes, costs, and expenses have been paid. The statute is highly relevant for finders who assist property owners in recovering these funds. Key points include: notification of excess funds. After a tax sale, if there are excess funds, the tax commissioner, tax collector, sheriff, or other officer must give written notice to the record owner of the property and any parties with a recorded interest such as lien holders. The notice must be sent within 30 days of the sale by first-class mail and include details such as the property description, sale date, sale price, amount of excess funds, and contact information for the tax sale purchaser. This requirement ensures that all relevant parties are informed about the availability of excess funds, creating an opportunity for finders to help claimants recover those funds. Interpleader action. If there are competing claims to the excess funds, the tax commissioner or other officer may file an interpleader action in Superior Court to distribute the funds. The court will determine how the funds are to be distributed based on the order of priority of the parties' interests such as lien holders and property owners. Finders should be aware that in cases of disputes, legal intervention may be required to resolve who is entitled to the excess funds. Unclaimed funds. If the excess funds remain unclaimed for 5 years after the tax sale and no action has been taken to claim them, the funds are transferred to the Georgia Department of Revenue. Once in the possession of the department, only a court order from an interpleader action can release the funds. This 5-year window is very important for finders, as it highlights the timeline in which claimants should act to recover surplus proceeds. For finders, OCGA Section 4845 provides a clear roadmap for tracking and recovering surplus funds generated from tax sales. By understanding the notification process, legal proceedings for disputed claims, and the 5-year limitation for unclaimed funds, finders can effectively assist property owners and other parties in securing their rightful excess proceeds from a tax sale. Tax commissioners will file interpleader in the local court if a finder attempts to collect excess proceeds. It's highly recommended that finders work with an attorney in Georgia. When a finder attempts to collect surplus funds on behalf of an owner, this opens up to possibility that multiple parties are owed the funds. When this happens, it becomes unclear to the county who the funds should be distributed to, so they automatically hand the distribution duties to the court. As for the excess proceeds, most of them are online, and to obtain the list from Fulton County, you want to submit public records request to the sheriff. For newer foreclosure tax sales that just happened, if the sheriff does not have the updated list, it is probably still being worked on by the county.